iPhones are known for their cutting-edge technology, but lately, many users have reported their devices turning purple for a few seconds before rebooting. So, what causes the iPhone purple screen of death, and how can you fix it? Keep watching to find out. Part 1. Why is my screen purple on my iPhone? Hardware issues like loose flex cable connection, water and other moisture, outdated version of iOS, screen adhesive problem, iPhone is contracted with the hard surface, system glitches. Part 2. Fix iPhone purple screen of death with 8 basic solutions. Solution 1. Adjust iPhone screen brightness and color. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size. Enable color filters and select color tint. Adjust the hue and brightness sliders to fix the purple screen. Solution 2. Restore iPhone with purple screen to factory settings. Open your iPhone settings, General. Click Reset, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Solution 3. Free up space on iPhone. Low storage may invite the iPhone purple screen of death anytime. You can now check out the device space by going to Settings, General, Device Storage. Then free up space on your iPhone if required. Solution 4. Update the iOS. Navigate to your iPhone settings, General. Click Software Update and check whether there's an iOS update available. Tap on Download and Install, if any. Confirm the action to install the most recent version of iOS. Solution 5. Force restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the Volume Up button. Repeat the same procedure on the Volume Down button. Press and hold the side key and release it when the Apple logo appears. When the device restarts, check if the screen is still purple. Solution 6. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. Launch iTunes and connect your iPhone to a trusted computer via USB. Tap the device icon from iTunes. Go to Summary and check this computer. Click Backup Now under the Backup section. Phase 2. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. Turn off the iPhone, press volume up and down, then hold side until the Apple logo. Connect to iTunes and click Restore to fix your iPhone. Solution 7. Check for hardware issues like battery or screen problems. A third-party repair store can help if out of warranty. Solution 8. Contact Apple support and make an appointment before visiting the store. Part 3. Fix the purple screen of death on iPhone with advanced solution. If the purple screen is caused by iOS, screen, or device issues, try the above methods. Alternatively, use iOS System Recovery, a powerful tool to fix iDevice problems. Step 1. Free download iOS System Recovery on your computer before installing and opening it. Then go for More Tools, iOS System Recovery on its screen. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and click Start to initiate the iPhone repair. Next, tap the question sign and follow the on-screen prompt to put your iDevice into DFU or recovery mode. Step 3. Confirm the info about the attached device and click Repair to let the tool fix the iPhone's purple screen of death automatically. And finally, restart your device and use it as usual.